Hi, if you're not a fan of these lovely little beep noises that the Airmega 350 and the 450 are making every time you touch any of their buttons, you can actually turn these beeps off. Not in any real logical way, but there is indeed a built-in function to completely mute the beep sounds. This here is an Airmega 350, but the process is exactly the same on the 450 as well. First, make sure that the purifier is turned on. Then locate the airflow speed button and the light button. Now push and hold both buttons for about 3-ish seconds, whereupon a little speaker symbol then shows up, indicating that the beeps are now gone. This setting luckily also stays with the machine even when it gets turned off. If you for some reason want the beeps back, just repeat the process again, whereupon the little speaker symbol disappears. Alright, not a super easy to find little function, but it is at least nice that it is there. Thank you for watching. Bye.